back to my channel. Today I am back with a video that is probably the most requested video I have ever received from you guys, and that is to talk about shapewear. So today I'm sharing a try-on haul from one of my favorite shapewear companies, Shapermint. Thank you so much to Shapermint for wanting to work with me on today's video. They recently released a new commercial, Remember Dressed, which is seriously such a cute reminder that all you need is a good bra, some shapewear to really spice up your wardrobe and get dressed again. So I am going to be sharing a couple of pieces from their core collection, along with some ways that you can incorporate these pieces into your own wardrobe with some style inspo. As always, everything that I am sharing today will be listed in the description box down below, including links to shop and my size. I will also leave Shapermint's Remember Dressed campaign down there if you guys would like to check it out. But let's go ahead and get started. So this is what my package looks like here from Shapermint. Super cute packaging. Everything is individually wrapped. The first item though that I am sharing with you guys today is the high-waisted shaping panty. I will leave the exact name of all of these items on the screen. I will leave my size, the size range, and the price. And as I said before, everything will also be linked down below. I'm wearing these in a size extra large, and this is what they look like here. So when it comes to shapewear, I would say my most worn piece are shaping panties. I find them to be the most comfortable while also being very supportive. I love that you can wear shaping panties under any type of bottom. You could wear them under a dress, a skirt, or even a high-waisted pair of jeans, which honestly is what I normally wear on an everyday basis, which is probably why I prefer these the most. Plus, they do have the little silicone grips on the inside, so you do not have to worry about these panties sliding down, rolling down as you wear them, which is one thing I absolutely cannot stand when it comes to shapewear. First, I can't stand being uncomfortable, but second, I can't stand when my pieces are rolling around. So I absolutely appreciate that detail on these. I do have them here in black, but they are available in a couple of other color options, along with everything else that I am sharing today. And these are also really, really nice and stretchy, but super breathable. And anytime I share shapewear with you guys, I always get requests to include how it looks while I'm sitting down and moving around to show if it rolls or not. So I wanted to include this quick clip so you guys could see it truly does not move while sitting and moving around awkwardly. So that is the first item here. As I said before, if we're kind of talking about on an everyday basis, like what my go-tos are, it's always a pair of jeans, shaping panties, and then some type of basic top. Usually I go for a bodysuit or a tank, just something that I can easily layer other pieces on top, especially as we are in the winter season. So this next piece right here is truly perfect. This is their scoop neck cami. I also do have this one in black, but it is available in a couple of other color options. The description on this tank said something about this is the tank of your dreams, and I have to absolutely agree. This tank top is amazing. So the straps on here are adjustable. This is a full seamless tank. The fabric is very, very nice and stretchy, super breathable. This is a longer fitting cami, so if you are a long torso girl like myself, you will definitely appreciate it. It is also very form-fitting, but you do not feel uncomfortable at all. In fact, it is so form-fitting that I just could not stop looking at the way my body looked. It just hugged my curves and highlighted my curves in the best way possible. I am also wearing this cami in the try-on portion without a bra, and I'm very much not the person that normally goes braless. I normally wear one every day. It doesn't matter where I'm going, what I'm doing, I have a bra on, but I could tell that this tank was going to be so supportive that I did not feel like I needed one. I actually felt like it gave me a little push-up as well, but you could absolutely wear this with a bra if that's something you prefer. I also do love that this one is so form-fitting, so you could easily layer this underneath a skirt, underneath any type of pants. You could dress it up for the workplace or dress it down to wear on an everyday basis. So for this look, I wanted it to stay true to how I normally dress on an everyday basis, but slightly more amplified. So I started this look with the shaping panties. I threw on a pair of my super high-waisted favorite pair of jeggings. I tucked the scoop neck cami into the jeggings for a more sleek look, and then because I wanted this look to be more amplified, I threw on a black blazer. I added on some heels and threw on my favorite bag. So that's the kind of look that I put together for you guys. A little outfit inspo with these first two pieces. And the next item I'm sharing with you guys today from Shapermint is the True Kind Daily Comfort Wire-Free Shaper Bra. This one's in a size extra large, and this is what it looks like here. So as I said in the title, this is a wire-free bra. Love that. Very, very comfortable. There's also this nice thick band in the back, providing you some really great coverage and support. And we also have the adjustable clasp, and there are cups in here, so you're actually getting some push-up without the wires. I always love the idea of a wire-free bra. However, I find that a lot of other options that are on the market lack in coverage in the nip region, so I'm not as open to wearing them out in public. However, I love that this one actually has the cups in the nip area here, so I can actually wear this honestly anywhere because it's extremely comfortable and I love this. And on bottom, the last item that I have to share with you guys today are the high-waisted active control leggings. These are in a size 2XL, and this is what they look like here. So these leggings are amazing. They're actually a pair of active leggings. However, they are so incredibly comfortable. You could absolutely wear these on an everyday basis. I do find sometimes with active leggings, while they do provide really great tummy support, they're not always the most comfortable, which is definitely not the case at all with these. They do provide that tummy support that really holds you in, so you don't have to worry about that, but it's not like stabbing me or leaving indents in my tummy. These also do have pockets on both sides, which y'all know I absolutely love, along with a little hidden pocket here in the front that you could throw your little key fob, your snacks, whatever you're feeling for that day. I will say I would have preferred one size smaller on these, as I do feel they are a little bit larger. But that's not a huge deal. Shapermint has an amazing exchange and return policy. You can exchange any items totally for free. And the return policy, they do give you your money back within 60 days if you are not happy. They also do have a live chat on their website. So if you have any questions regarding fit, regarding sizes, you can reach out to one of their team members to assist you with that on their website. Or you can also reach out to them on their Facebook page. And for these last two pieces, I did want to put together a super basic casual look that honestly looks amazing on everyone. So I did go ahead and put on an oversized denim jacket directly on top of the wire-free bra. If you are looking for more coverage, you could of course add any type of t-shirt. I personally always love a good band tee. Then to keep it more casual, I did go ahead and throw on a pair of white sneakers, and I finished up this look with a yellow backpack just to brighten things up. But those were actually all of the pieces that I had to share today from Shapermint. Thank you guys all so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new. Check me out on Instagram. I will have it linked down below. Actually, on Instagram is where I've shared Shapermint the most, so definitely follow me there so you can hear more about them. I will also have all of the items that I shared in today's video listed down below, including links to shop and my size. I will also have the Dressed Again commercial from Shapermint down there if you guys would like to check it out. Let me know in the comments down below if you guys have any questions regarding Shapermint, regarding fit, sizing, anything. I'm so happy to help you out. If you guys have tried out Shapermint before, I would love to know what your favorite piece was in the comments down below. But that is pretty much going to do it for today's video. So thank you guys all so much for watching. Thank you so much to Shapermint for wanting to work with me on today's video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye guys.